I'd like to invite you back to the Linguistic Landscape and Autoethnography of Place course. We've done a lot of work together, and we're now at the stage where we can actually start pulling it all together into a piece of writing. Before we delve into this, I do want to say that in general, an autoethnography is a writing research method. So the actual writing is not just a reporting of what we're finding. It's actually part of the process of generating the knowledge itself. So when we think about the schematics here of where we are in relation to this process, you can see that we're in the first draft writing stage. These are the research questions that we're going to try and answer. Remember that every piece of writing tries its best to, every piece of research tries its best to answer the questions it's asked. So in general, we want to know what characterizes my experience of being in your chosen place. But we also have two sub-questions which relate to the two methodologies that we've got playing around here. In what way is your place linguistic, semiotically and discursively constructed? That's the linguistic landscape methodology we've been using. And what are the emotions, identities, experiences, cultural aspects, community understanding and narratives that have shaped the place for me? And that is the autoethnographic piece. So I think one of the things that's helpful is to have a good sense of, the overall structure of the autoethnography. And I'm going to propose a very particular set of sections which I think will be helpful for you in doing this process. First off, you want an introduction. You want to describe the context of the place you are studying, explain the reasons for conducting an autoethnography at this site, and the significance of the place you're exploring. So part of that is your significance, part of it might be the significance of the place itself, but situate your reader in why they are reading an autoethnography of place. Having done that, you want to give the discursive context or discursive historical context, if you like. So describe the place that you are trying to explore, how it fits into some broader frameworks. Then your research questions, then your method. And then we have the data. So first off, autoethnographic vignettes, all of those experiences, present your experiences, emotions. Try to give the discursive context. You can make this in a very personal way, but try and situate it in relation to your experience. Then present the linguistic landscape analysis, present your analysis of the linguistic landscape, present all relevant tables and how you interpret and what the meanings are present at this site. So having done those two sections, it's now time to actually tie everything together. So do a reflection on identity and place, explore how you've interacted in this place, how does it position you, what does it make you feel, what does the place mean for you. And finally, write a postscript. Having conducted a full autoethnography of place, describes the insights you have about yourself and the place itself. What did you learn by doing this? Write a full first draft, create a conversation between your personal story, your cultural reflection, the discursive analysis. Let each of the different levels inform and complicate each other. The goal isn't to resolve everything neatly, but to reveal a layered sense of the meanings of the place to you, to your community, historically and discursively. With that, thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.